Welcome to the seminar.
Hello and welcome to the webinar. My name is Lance Wills. I'm a career coach and I'm super excited to have you here. I've got a lot of information I want to give you absolutely free, and I know you're going to get a lot of value out of it. Now, what I'm going to cover inside the webinar are the top 3 resume writing mistakes that most people make. By fixing these, you'll put yourself ahead of the competition. In fact, you only have about 6 seconds to capture a recruiter's attention, so you better make it count, and I'm going to help you do that. I'm also going to let you know why you may not have to share your salary information, historical salary information, with your next employer. There's been some changes across the country, and I'm going to let you know in which states those changes have taken place. I'm also going to share with you my #1 tool for eliminating errors and typos in my resume. Errors, mistakes, and typos are the #1 reason that applications and resumes get rejected or overlooked. So it's very important that we focus on the fundamentals and eliminate all those errors, and I'm going to share that with you. So a lot of value here, and you're going to get it all free just for signing up for the webinar right there. So go ahead and sign up, and I'll see you inside.